Well, I'll be dang.
Good day. So today I'm gonna be reviewing another product from Lazada, a very important product that I believe that is very useful this rainy season. This is the Pinas Best original best-selling waterproof leak repair spray. So I bought it, I think it's 550 pesos from Lazada, and it has gotten a lot of good reviews, including this one. Super effective daw, and packed well. So it's Chinese made as usual, just like some other products that we are buying from Lazada. So there it is, a multifunction waterproof spray. So let's see if this will be effective sa aming yero sa bubungan. I'll try to use it. So let's go. So the first problem that I'm having with our roof, bubong namin is I had already put a lot of Volcasil and hindi ko alam so what's the problem with it. Probably still water can still penetrate. So I'm using this water leak repair spray for the first time, so medyo hesitant ako kung effective ba siya. Yun nalito ko kasi I thought it was black. Parang black yung nabili ko. Pero yun, white ang kulay niya. So ang texture niya, it's a liquid spray. Of course, it's a spray, it's liquid. And hindi ko alam kung gaano siya ka-effective. At hindi ko alam kung gaano karami ang dapat na ilagay. So, very generous ang pagkalagay ko dito sa part na to. And yun nga, baka maubos agad. Kasi it's 450 ml lang po ang size niya. So nakikita niyo po yung haba ng lalagyan ko. So it's at least 2 meters. Kung tama yung pagkakasukat ko, yan yung lalagyan ko. So every hard rain kasi, during malakas ang pag-ulan, talagang ah, parang may falls talaga sa bahay namin. So, I'm really hoping that this product will work. Ko alam kung tama yung pagkagawa ko pero parang first time ko kasi siya gawin so parang mali. Ngayon ko na naintindihan parang plastic ano siya, plastic sealant. Sana maging effective. Hindi natin malaman at umulan. So nandito na ako sa kalahati. We're about to finish and I'm hoping this will work. I'll give you an update in the following days kung okay po siya. Just an update lang guys. So after 2 days, so napalampas natin na medyo mainit yung panahon and now ngayon umuulan po, madaling araw po ngayon. So as you can see doon po nanggagaling yung tulo ng tubig po na nanggagaling po sa bubong namin. At sa baba, ayan po naman, kitang-kita nyo yung planggana. Sobrang lakas po, napupuno yan namin minsan. Pero this time, ayun, okay na po siya. Dito, ang daming timba po. Ngayon, wala na po. So, tuyong-tuyo na. So, I can definitely say na talaga po namang effective ang atin pong product na ito. So, it's a double thumbs up. Sana magtuloy-tuloy and have a nice day.